Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a subdomain for your website using CPanel. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing I want to do is when you log into your CPanel, you want to come to your search bar on the top, and once you're here, you're going to be searching for subdomains. And you'll be brought to this new page where you can add and or remove subdomains. So what you want to do is select this first box right here. You want to enter the name of your subdomain, and then you want to click create. From this stage, we're pretty much done. Our subdomain is created. What you want to do is click go back. As you can see now, portfolio.scoby's content is currently created. So to actually test this, we're going to go back to our cPanel and we're going to go to our file manager. We're going to be creating a blank HTML file in here with just the word hello on top of it. So what I'm going to be doing is going to file on the top left of our cPanel. I'm going to be creating a new index.html file. And you can just click create, and as you can see, I have my index file right here. What I want to do is go to right click and edit. You want to just ignore this prompt and click edit one more time. All I'm going to be doing is putting some tags in here and just writing hello, closing my tags, and then click save changes on the top right, which is going to save our file. Now if we actually go to our subdomain, portfolio.scobyscontent.com, we can see that hello is going to post, and we're going to see our subdomain is actually working. It's picking up content and it works 100% easy, and it's really nice and clean to do this inside cPanel. I'm currently using hosting with 24 hosting, so you can use whatever type of hosting you want as long as cPanel is installed. It's really quick and really easy to create subdomains. But anyway guys, it's as easy as that to create subdomains in your cPanel. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to leave a link down below to my PayPal if you found this video helpful and you want to support me. Of course, there's no pressure if you can't. If you want to request any tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be sure to get around to them. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.